Hey, welcome back. It's Chesterrific again here on YouTube. So, wow, ang init-init sa labas. Anyway, please stay at home na lang guys kasi super init sa labas. I think yesterday nagtala ng around 42. So, it's better to say at home. At least we could also be, we could also prevent na makakuha tayo ng COVID-19. So, para ma-flatten na yung curve natin and we could go out as soon as possible. O nga pala, shout out kay Ma'am Rachel. Ma'am Rachel, thank you for doing the no cream carbonara dish yesterday. She made around 6 packs of instant noodles na mention niya sa akin. Pero thank you so much. And also shout out din pala kay Ma'am Monica. Si Ma'am Monica ang aking kapitbahay. Gumawa rin siya ng sarili niyang version ng no cream carbonara. Okay, so actually I've been craving peach mango pie this past few days. So sabi ko, hirap lumabas. So plano ko, gagawa na lang ako ng sarili kong peach mango pie. But I'm not gonna use any sweet filling. So gagawin ko lang is yung aking natirang sardines. So we'll be putting sardines filling sa loob. Tapos i-bread natin. Then i-fry natin. So yan yung kakainin ko tonight. So sa mga parents or sa mga mother na wala na maisip merienda for your mga babies or mga chikitings. So you could also use or try this recipe and let me know about it. Oh, you could also substitute the sardines to corned beef, canned tuna. So anything you like, you could try it naman. Okay? na yung ating sardines pie. Super bilis lang gawin. So, let's taste one of our creations. Kinalati ko na. Narinig yung crunch. Wow. Ang sarap nung blending nung cheese, yung carrots, then yung sardines. Super. If you want it spicy, pwede naman. Kasi sometimes gusto nyo spicy, you could add more chilies. Pwede naman. Pwede mo rin palitan into corned beef. You want to add extender carrots, potatoes, or anything, you could do so. No problem with that. So guys, if you want to try this recipe at home and nagawa naman nyo, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, itschesterrific, and comment below. And subscribe to my channel. Do share my channel as well. Thank you. See you.